Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna go through while loops. So to use a while loop, we basically just write while, and then we have a parenthesis, and inside here, we will have a condition, okay? This can be anything. It can be like x is, let's say, smaller or equal to 10, okay? And if this is met, then it will run a loop or a block, so to speak. They are these curly brackets, same as for the main. This is basically the whole block, the main block, and then here we have a small block. So if this is true, which now it's neither, we need to add a variable. Let's say that we add x and make it 0. Now this is true, right? Then it will loop this this block over and over again. So let's say we wanted to make a program that writes or counts from 0 to 10, or from 10 to 0. No, from 0 to 10. Then we would just make a program that basically prints out x, right? Because x is our variable, and it's gonna print x. So if we run this program, you see that it's actually just counting 0 infinitely, right? Because we have nothing that works towards this this upper limit. So we basically need to add, let's say, x++. So now it will go once, it will print, and then it will add 1 to x. This can also be written as x equals x plus 1, right? That's the same thing. I just like to write x++ because it's fast and clean. And if we run this, you see, now it counts from 0 to 10. We could also modify this. Let's say that we wanted a program that counts from any number that we scan. So let's say that we just declare x and then we scan instead. We scan in x and store it in the variable x. And now we say that as long as x is larger than 0 in this case. And if we were to run it now, what do you think would happen? I think we're gonna run into a problem. Let's say we want to count from 5 to 0. But we count up. Because now we have a lower bound instead. So in this case, we would need to remove from x to basically reach this this condition, right? Because otherwise it will always be true. Let's say now that we wrote 8, it counts from 8 to 1. You could also add equal to if you want to keep the 1, or keep the 0, I mean, 8, and it goes all the way to 0. So yeah, this is basically a simple while loop. They are very, very important in C. I would recommend that you do a lot of exercises with while loops.